Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're diving into the world of investing with Wealthfront, a top robo-advisor platform, you're in the right place. Today, we're breaking down how to create categories in Wealthfront in a simple, step-by-step way. This feature is super handy for organizing your portfolio, tracking performance, and making smarter financial decisions. Let's jump right in. First things first, what are categories in Wealthfront? Think of them as custom groups for your investments, like bundling tech stocks or retirement funds together. It helps you stay organized and focused on your goals. To get started, make sure you're logged into your Wealthfront account. If you don't have one, sign up, it's quick and user-friendly. Step 1. Once logged in, navigate to the Portfolio Overview. This is usually on the main dashboard where you can see all your holdings at a glance. Step 2. Look for the Customize or Asset Allocation section. It might be under a settings icon or a menu. Wealthfront's interface is intuitive, so it shouldn't take long to find. Step 3. Click on Create Category. You'll be prompted to give it a name, like Growth Stocks or Emergency Fund Assets. Be descriptive to make it easy to remember. Step 4. Now, select the investments you want to add. You can choose from your existing assets by checking boxes or dragging and dropping. It's that straightforward. Step 5. Review your category setup, then hit Save. Wealthfront will apply the changes instantly, and you'll see your new category reflected in your portfolio view. Why bother with this? Categories make it easier to monitor how different parts of your investments are performing, especially during market fluctuations. Pro tip. Regularly update your categories as your portfolio grows. There you have it. Creating categories in Wealthfront is a breeze. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more finance tips. Thanks for watching, and let's keep building that wealth together.